Hello guys, it's Tuesday right now. So we're going to Fancy Pan. Actually, kakatapos lang namin kumain and bumalik lang ako ng room para kunin yung eyeglasses ko. And then we'll go to Fancy Pan. Bye! Good morning, kasama! My God, it's a tulip, guys. Ah!
Diba yun?
Morning in Sapa. It's so cold. Next stop muna kami after funicular and then we're now going to the cable car. Yung weather niya parang Baguio na siya. I love it. Kasi kanina super lamig. Parang ayaw na mag-function ang katawan. We'll update you pag nandun na kami sa cable car. Bye! Wow! Wow! Ang zapig! The cable car is shaking. It's like we're not gumagano siya. The top is medyo nakakatakot lang siya. Oh my God! Lakas kasi ng hangin sa labas. Kasama ko yung masakit ng ulo. It's part of the experience. Ay! Bababa na lang kami. And then, drive natin yung cable car. And now, umusap na yung bibig ko kasi super lamig na dito. Look at the view behind me! So pretty! Namayan po. Yan, ang lamig! Ah! So, okay lang. Bahala na. We're now on our way to the peak. And it's so dry as hell. Did you see that? Ah! Si Mama ay sumuko na siya. Hindi pa kami nakakasay. Sukong-suko na siya. Mga last contenders.
Very good.
Hello! just got done taking picture in Fancy Pan. I have no microphone, so medyo mahangin siya. Like, go! So, now, bababa na po kami now. Nilalamig na kami and it's getting foggy. So, bababa na kami. Since, baka hindi kami makatake ng good pictures.
Look at the view. It's amazing.
Yeah. Palm skirt. We're now going back. Sa binabaan namin ng cable car. So, isa dun si Mama.
Nag-iwan.
Dahil,
Kasi nilalamig daw.
at natatakot siyang umakyat dahil daw mahangin. So, okay. Gets.
The last 3 people standing.
Yes. O, diba? Nawala na naman yung fog sa taas. Parang sira. Wow.
Letak ini satu truk sa balik rumah balik kampung Mahari pagi.
Hi. So, nag-order na lang kami ng lunch for today. We actually spent 330k. So, medyo mura lang siya. Pero 4-4 naman siya. So, okay lang. And it's sunny today. And as per checking, it's 14 degrees. So, hindi naman siya medyo malamig kasi we'll go back for a hotel and we'll take lunch. Hindi na natin sure kung makakapunta pa tayo ng Katan today. Yeah. Let's eat. Hi! We are now here at Cat Cat Village. My outfit. Balik hotel po na ito sa 100 pesos. More or less than 100 pesos. Okay, so cold right now. Pero makaya na natin for the ground. Yeah. Wow! Wow!
This video?
Kakraptap pa naman. Sino hindi lalamigin, di ba? In fairness. Ano naman dito? Sapa Night Market. So we're now here, fine dining restaurant. We just ordered that steak and taste. I'm so tired already.
I-take out na siguro pizza ante.
This is our dinner for today. We have the steak. So today we are eating and eating the bread to our steak. Bread naman steak. Kasi sabi sa amin ng staff is pwede doon namin eat yung bread. Ito ako lang naman sa amin. Actually wala siyang kasamang rice. So bumit kami ng rice. Dahil Pinoy kami. Charot. fairness, okay lang yung beef. Yung steak. Like, not bad for its price. Ayun. Yung steak. Thank you. Because you need to charge it once when you visit someone. More lang ang food. And it's 500 pesos. So, it's really talaga siya. Check na lang natin sa later kung may service charge siya or wala. Night strolling in Sapa be like. Malayo pa, ate!